35 and 45 degree offset red dot mounting for our tactical one-piece scope mounts and matched scope rings. They're in stock now at area419.com. Go check them out. Let's talk about them. With our tactical one-piece scope mount system, we've always known that this is really a host for great optics mounting, as well as a large variety of accessories that help you set up this mount to do exactly what you want for your purpose, for your mission, and for your preference. Today we are launching 35 and 45 degree offset mounts, as well as low profile and high profile optics plates, specifically for these side mount points on our tactical one-piece scope mounts. The build out on these is really pretty straightforward. You pick this is the 45 degree offset mount. We'd set this in and attach it to the optic mount. This forward lower position on a cantilevered one piece is really ideal for it. So I would attach this guy. I'm then gonna come in and attach the optic plate. The one that I have in my hand here is the Delta Point Pro low profile. And then past that, I'm putting my optic directly on top. So you build from the mount outward, and you get a solid, configurable solution that's just right for you. So what we've got set up here is a tactical one-piece cantilevered scope mount. It's on this upper. It's got the Vortex 1 to 10 in it. And this one is set up with a 35 degree mount and a low profile RMR plate. It's compact, it's quick. It's a nice setup for this upper. But the way we've got it set up at area419.com is you can go to the website, you can select if you want 35 or 45 degree, as well as which mount plate you want, whether it's low profile, high profile, RMR, Delta Point Pro, Acro. You can select it all. And based on your combinations, you're looking at $100 or just a little bit more. It's a robust system. It's got a ton of options for it. We want to make it easy for you to set up your rifle exactly the way that you need it for your application. If you want to see a little bit more about why you might choose 35 degree or 45 degree or high profile or low profile, check out this video where Zach goes into in-depth about that.